The borrowed page. It was a cold December morning in London. The library was warm, but the streets outside were covered in white snow. Miss Eleanor worked in the reference section. She loved the peace and the gentle smell of old paper. A young scholar named Mr. Julian visited the library every day. He sat at the last table by the high arched window. Mr. Julian was quiet and always read the same old books about history. He and Miss Eleanor never spoke more than a polite whisper about a book's number. However, Miss Eleanor noticed a secret about Mr. Julian. He always left a small folded corner of paper on the page he stopped reading. He would return the next day and find his place quickly. Miss Eleanor thought this was inefficient for a scholar. She decided to give him a simple, useful gift. She had a small set of bookmarks she had made herself. The bookmarks were plain, beautiful silk, each with a different colour. She chose a dark, winter blue bookmark for him. That afternoon, Mr. Julian left his seat and walked away briefly. Miss Eleanor quickly walked to his table through the silent reading room. She gently slipped the blue bookmark into his open book, right at his page. She took his small folded corner of paper away. She hoped he would understand her kind message. She returned to her desk, her heart beating fast. When Mr. Julian returned, he frowned, searching for his paper corner. Then he saw the blue bookmark. He picked it up and smiled. He realised this simple gift was a thoughtful gesture from the assistant. But he also saw that his little corner of paper was gone. He looked at Miss Eleanor and she met his eyes. She had taken the paper as a secret challenge. The next morning, Miss Eleanor found a small white envelope on her own desk. It was the first time a visitor had left her anything. Inside, she found her small folded paper corner. But on the back of the paper, Mr. Julian had drawn a tiny, perfect sketch of her desk. It was his thankful gift in return. She realised he hadn't needed the bookmark, he just wanted a first simple reason to connect. He walked to her desk.
May I borrow that page again tomorrow?
He asked softly.
Only if you use the bookmark.
Miss Eleanor replied, smiling. Their silent, shared curiosity had brought them a winter romance.